Hi guys, the most common problem a lot of us face is of dry and dehydrated hair. But what is the reason behind it? It's the loss of hydration from hair strands. To solve this issue, try adding hyaluronic acid in your hair care routine. L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture Range contains hyaluronic acid which can lock in hydration to the hair strands. Let's check these experiments to understand it even better. See, in the bristles of the brush, water alone drips off very easily. But hyaluronic acid solution doesn't. It sticks to the surface of the bristles and retains hydration. It forms a protective barrier around the hair strands, retains moisture for up to 72 hours, making them bouncy and hydrated. Hydrated hair is healthier and is less prone to frizz, breakage, or even split ends. In this second experiment also, you can see how the L'Oreal Paris Hydra Filling Night Cream is giving enough hydration to the sponge and is preventing it from getting dry and brittle. It's holding in moisture and keeping the sponge hydrated for longer. I'm surprised how hyaluronic acid works great for hydrating hair, not just in theory but in person also. I've seen great results on my own hair in the last 2 years. It actually makes the hair hydrated, bouncy, and shiny, and has also helped me reduce frizz in my hair. I'm not saying your hair is exactly like a sponge, but similarly, dry, dehydrated hair is also prone to breakage. Hyaluronic acid holds water on the surface of the hair strands to keep them hydrated and prevent them from getting dull, dry, and dehydrated. Hyaluronic acid is a sugar molecule. It absorbs moisture from the environment and holds it on the surface of the hair shaft and makes them smooth and shiny. One drop of hyaluronic acid can carry more than 1,000 times its weight in water. It's a mild acid that helps preserve moisture and isn't harsh on skin and hair. It increases the ability to retain moisture in skin and hair and works well for almost all skin and hair types. I really like the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture Range for hair. Hyaluronic acid molecules have the capacity to capture water from the surroundings and hold it in. It coats hair fiber and seals the cuticles to quickly improve hair health. The L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture Range has 3 main products. The 72-hour moisture filling shampoo cleanses the scalp and replumps hair and gives long-lasting hydration. It makes the hair super lightweight and bouncy. The 72-hour moisture sealing conditioner detangles hair length and locks in moisture. It makes your hair soft and shiny while avoiding any breakages. And my most favorite is the L'Oreal Paris Hydra Filling Night Cream. It gives 4 times more hydration and softness. Apply it at night to the hair length and leave overnight. It seals the cuticles and doesn't weigh your hair down. It provides up to 72 hours of moisture locked in your hair. No need to wash it. It doesn't leave any residue behind. Just wash your hair normally in the next hair wash cycle. I highly recommend this Hyaluron Moisture Range from L'Oreal Paris. Try out this range if you're looking out for something for healthy and hydrated hair. Do give it a try and check the description box for more details. Have any doubts? Leave them in the comment section.